What's up? So I had one of the classes 3D print me some Alto sax reeds. Now they're kind of a little bit janky, but I went ahead and filed one of these down with some 320 sandpaper to get all the rough edges and stuff out. I'm going to try this for the first time. I have not tried this yet. Put it on my mouthpiece. This is so cool. Man, I hope this works. Saves so much money on synthetic reeds, or just reeds even. Like a regular reed is more expensive than this if you get a good one. Okay, got that one. All right. Moment of truth. Yeah, it's kind of jazzy sounded. This is a 2.5. It works. That's so cool. I'm going to try it with my students. I'll post a link to what I printed or whatever. Cool.